Welcome back to KB's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Vietnamese style peanut dipping sauce. Alright, let's not waste any more time and get on with it. Here I've got around about half a cup of peanuts, unsalted, putting those into a food processor and simply going to blitz these up into a nice fine grind. Don't go too far, otherwise you'll turn that into peanut butter. We want it looking a little bit like that. Perfect. Got a saucepan and I'm going to add in around about a quarter, maybe a third of a cup of hoisin sauce. Don't forget, different hoisin sauces have different salt and sugar levels, so be mindful of that. I'm also adding in a quarter cup of peanut butter, just a smooth peanut butter. We don't need to add any more peanuts to this particular dipping sauce. I've got around about a tablespoon of fish sauce straight into the pot. As you can tell, our pot is off. I'm adding in around about 2 tablespoons of sugar and the equivalent to 1.5 cloves of garlic. Use fresh if you wish. I prefer to use the paste. It is quick and simple. And I'll also add 2 tablespoons of teaspoons of soy sauce. Be careful of that. And we're going to put our heat on low. And what we want to do is we want to melt our peanut butter down. And our sauce should start looking like that. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of rice wine vinegar straight into the pot. Keep that bubbling nicely. Now, you need to keep checking this, keep tasting this. It is a very strong sauce at this point. If it is too salty for you or too sweet for you, don't worry. You can add a little bit of water and that will calm the flavors down. I actually added in this recipe off camera around about the equivalent to 1/2 cup of water. Alright, so, and when you add that water, it's going to lighten the sauce all the way through. Simply just sprinkle your peanuts over the top and I'm going to stir those through. Alright, if you like this video, hit that like button. This sauce is great on rice paper rolls, it's great on spring rolls, satay sticks, anything. It's a beautiful, sweet and salty sauce. As I said, if you like the video, hit that like button, hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, come join the family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I will catch you next time.